Today I want to show you how to easily make a drop-down list on Excel. Over here you will see I have a name and a surname, and then now I also want their birth month and also their genders. So I'm going to show you how to do it in two different ways. The first way is going to be with a longer list that we want in our drop-down, and the second one is going to be a shorter list that we want in our drop-down. In column B over here, we want a drop-down that's going to tell us anything from January to December, and in column C is going to be male or female. Let's do the months first. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to click on sheet 2, and then I'm going to only type in January since we want from January to December. I'm going to use my full option here and I'm going to drag it down until December. Then I'm going to click over here on data. I'm going to click over here on data validation. Under settings here you will see under allow, you are allowed to choose a list option, and then it's going to ask you for your source. We have already typed our source in over here, so we're going to drag that down until there, so it's selected, and then we're going to click OK. Then if you go back, you will see you are able to select anything from January until December. What we're going to do also is we're going to drag our formula down so that we have an option for a drop down in each and every cell. If you were to type anything not familiar, Excel is not going to take it, and you're going to have to go back to sheet 2 and add more data here, and also going to have to go back to data validation and select all the cells that you want to add as well. Right, now for our gender part, we only want female and male. I'm going to show you a shorter way to do this. We're going to go back to data validation. We're going to again say we want a list for type. Then over here we're going to type in female, and then we're going to separate it with male, and then we're going to click OK. So now you'll see we are able to use the drop down list, and we're going to be able to click male or female. And then also you're going to have to drag that down again. Just be careful, if you have selected anything there, it's going to select automatically the one that you've dragged down. You're going to have to just delete that, and then again you choose either male or female. And that's how you create a very easy drop down list on Excel. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more of these type of videos, please like and subscribe, and also leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.